the wonderful sounds of ambient birds. But what do we really know about these birds? My name is Jane Austen Jones, and I am here to tell you that there is so much more that we can learn with these. If we take the first segment of ambient birds and slow it down, what do we hear? Let's take a listen. That right there. Play it again. You hear this, right? That's just Small Shock. That's Small Shock from Undertale. Congratulations, Toby Fox. You are a wizard Congratulations, Toby Fox. You are a mastermind at this.